In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix vulnerabilities in Chrome using the weekly security update 139 step by step so you can keep your browser protected and running smoothly. Chrome security issues are usually resolved through updates, safety checks, and a few quick security settings that can make a big difference. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer, since many browser security vulnerabilities are patched through regular updates. The first thing you always want to do is make sure Chrome is fully up to date. This is one of the fastest and most effective ways to reduce risk, especially if a new weekly security update like version 139 is available. Next, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. From there, go down to Help and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically start checking for updates as soon as this page opens. You do not need to search for anything manually. If Chrome finds version 139 or anything newer, let it download and install the update completely. Once the update is finished, you will usually see a relaunch button. Click relaunch so Chrome can restart and apply the security patch properly. This step is important because browser updates often include fixes for newly discovered vulnerabilities, and those fixes only take effect after the browser restarts. So even if the update is already downloaded, do not skip the relaunch. That is what makes the security update active. After updating Chrome, the next step is to run the built-in Chrome safety check. To do that, go to Settings, then click Privacy and Security and find the option that says Safety Check. Click Go to Safety Check and let Chrome scan your browser. This feature is very useful because it checks for harmful extensions, unsafe passwords, security problems, and outdated browser versions all in one place. If Chrome finds any warning, follow the recommended action right away. For example, if it detects a browser that is not fully updated, install the update immediately. If it flags a password issue, change that password as soon as possible. The safety check is a quick way to spot security problems before they become serious. Now let's remove suspicious extensions because extensions can sometimes be the source of browser vulnerabilities or unwanted behavior. Go back to the three dots menu, then click Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. Here you'll see every extension installed in Chrome. Go through the list carefully and remove anything that looks unknown, old, unused, or suspicious. If you do not recognize an extension, or if you installed it a long time ago and no longer need it, it is better to remove it. Extensions can access browser activity, change website behavior, and sometimes create security risks if they are outdated or compromised. Keeping only the extensions you trust is one of the best ways to harden your browser. Next, enable enhanced safe browsing. Go back to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Security. Under the Safe Browsing section, select Enhanced Protection. This gives Chrome stronger protection against dangerous websites, malware, phishing attacks, and harmful downloads. If you spend a lot of time online, this is one of the best settings you can turn on for extra security. It may slightly increase how much protection Chrome uses in the background, but the trade-off is worth it for most users. It helps detect threats faster and gives you stronger warnings when a site or download looks risky. Now, we'll clear the cache and cookies, which can help remove potentially corrupted browsing data. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A clear browsing data window will appear. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. This step can help resolve strange browser issues and remove old website data that may be causing problems. It is also a good way to refresh your browser after installing security updates, especially if a site has been behaving oddly or loading outdated content. So to quickly recap, the best way to fix Chrome vulnerabilities in Weekly Security Update 139 is to update Chrome immediately, run a safety check, remove suspicious extensions, enable enhanced safe browsing, and clear cache and cookies. Together, these steps help protect your browser and reduce the chance of security problems. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.